The moment you start walking, your muscles begin working harder. Your heart rate rises, your breathing changes, and your body starts demanding more energy. As your muscles need more oxygen, your heart pumps faster. Each heartbeat sends blood through your arteries toward the working muscles. Now the action moves into your legs. Working muscles use oxygen and nutrients to produce the energy needed for every step. With regular walking, your heart and blood vessels repeatedly practice moving blood around your body. Over time, regular activity supports cardiovascular fitness. Walking also gives your brain a reason to coordinate balance, movement, breathing, and rhythm, while regular physical activity supports brain health. 30 minutes of walking won't transform your body overnight, but done regularly, it adds meaningful movement to your day. Your body is working for you every second. Feed it wisely.